The opioid drug crisis is a very big one on everybody's list right now. Paying attention. As a matter of fact, this morning we read that Orange County lost 4 people to it, to drug overdoses. So I think that's a big one.
The opiate epidemic is still a serious problem across all of New York State, upstate and downstate. We often talk about differences between upstate and downstate. There's no difference when it comes to the opiate epidemic. It's affecting people in New York City. It's affecting people and killing people on Long Island, just like it is in western New York and in the Adirondack region. I'd like to think that we're in a little better shape than we were, at least in how we address it, but unfortunately we're still seeing growth across the state with regards to opiate overdoses as well as opiate overdose deaths. Thankfully, in my home community of Erie County, we've been able to stem the tide and basically keep it the same as the year before, but that still means that there's approximately 300 people in Erie County who died in 2017 from an opiate overdose. So it's an issue that we're all working on, and unfortunately it's not done yet.
What needs to happen, and what role does a county government play?
County governments often play the lead because they are the health departments. They offer the mental health services, the addiction services. So when it comes to how government has a role, county governments in some ways are the leading entity. New York State will set the law, will provide funds. The federal government can provide funds, hasn't recently. It's one of the things we're really advocating for is more federal dollars. But it's the local governments that are implementing it, the local governments that are approving and creating new treatment facilities, the local governments that are approving new medication-assisted treatment facilities. And then we're also out there coordinating the services between the not-for-profits as well as the other organizations that are involved in the fight to eliminate this scourge.